Living in Miami Gardens means enjoying plenty of sunshine, warm weather, and vibrant outdoor living. But while the tropical climate is one of the area's biggest perks, it also brings a major challenge for homeowners: keeping interiors comfortably cool without overworking the air conditioner. The secret to maintaining a cool, energy-efficient home often lies in a detail many people overlook: proper window installation. Even the most advanced, high-performance windows can't do their job if they aren't installed correctly. When installed by professionals, windows create a powerful barrier against heat, humidity, and UV rays, helping your home stay cool year-round. Why proper window installation matters in Miami Gardens: the weather in Miami Gardens is warm and humid for most of the year, and sunlight exposure can cause indoor temperatures to rise quickly. Poorly installed or aging windows allow hot air to seep in while letting cool air escape, forcing your HVAC system to run longer and harder. This leads to higher energy bills and uneven cooling throughout your home. Professional window installation ensures that every window is properly aligned, sealed, and insulated, preventing air leaks and minimizing heat transfer. The result? Your cooling system doesn't have to work overtime, and your home remains consistently comfortable, even on the hottest summer days. Creating a tight, energy-efficient seal: one of the biggest benefits of professional installation is achieving an airtight seal between the window and the wall. In a humid, heat-prone region like Miami Gardens, even small gaps around the frame can make a big difference. A proper installation includes high-quality insulation between the window frame and wall cavity, weather stripping to block air infiltration, caulking and sealing to prevent moisture intrusion and drafts. These details keep cool air in and hot, humid air out, maintaining a stable indoor temperature while reducing strain on your AC unit. Reducing solar heat gain with the right windows: even with good installation, the type of window you choose plays an important role in regulating indoor temperatures. Miami Gardens homeowners benefit from windows with low emissivity coatings, which reflect solar heat while still allowing plenty of natural light to enter. When paired with double pane or impact-resistant glass, these windows drastically reduce solar heat gain, one of the main causes of rising indoor temperatures in Florida homes. Proper installation ensures these energy-saving features perform as intended. If a window is misaligned or poorly sealed, the reflective coating and insulated glass won't be as effective, and your home will absorb more heat. Preventing moisture and humidity buildup: Miami Gardens' humid climate can create another challenge: condensation and moisture buildup around windows. If windows aren't properly installed, humid air can leak inside, leading to fogging, mold growth, and even water damage. A professional installation uses moisture-resistant flashing, sealants, and insulation to prevent this issue. Well-sealed windows not only keep your home cooler but also protect it from the damaging effects of excess humidity, ensuring your walls, frames, and indoor air quality remain in top condition. Enhancing long-term comfort and savings: when windows are installed properly, homeowners enjoy consistent comfort and lower energy costs for years to come. Professionally installed windows can reduce energy waste by as much as 20 to 30%, depending on your home's layout and materials. Over time, the savings on monthly energy bills can offset the cost of installation, making it a smart investment for Miami Gardens homeowners. In addition, well-installed windows require less maintenance, experience fewer air leaks, and have a longer lifespan than those installed incorrectly. Trusting local experts for lasting results: to get the most out of your window investment, it's important to work with local installation experts who understand the Miami Gardens climate and building standards. Local professionals can recommend the best window types and materials for heat and humidity resistance, ensuring your installation meets Florida's strict energy and storm protection codes. With their experience, they'll ensure every window is precisely fitted and sealed, maximizing performance and comfort. Final thoughts for homeowners in Miami Gardens: proper window installation is more than a home improvement, it's a long-term comfort solution. Professionally installed windows create a strong barrier against heat, humidity, and solar radiation, allowing your home to stay cool and energy efficient all year long. By investing in expert installation and high-quality materials, you'll enjoy a more comfortable home, lower utility bills, and peace of mind knowing your windows are built to perform, no matter how hot it gets outside.